In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can change your colors everywhere in your design all at once in Adobe Illustrator. So first, let me choose something I want to give a color. Let's say this heart, and I'm going to give it a pink color like this. And if this happens, go to your color tab, which if you don't see it, you can go to Window and then choose Color. And click this hamburger icon and make sure it's set to RGB. Sometimes that happens and now you know what you can do to fix it. But I just made this hot pink, and in my swatches window, which again, if it isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose Swatches. I'm going to click this plus icon to create a new swatch. And I'm going to call it pink. Make sure global is selected. Normally it's selected by default, but just make sure to check this and then press OK. Now we created a global swatch, and every global swatch, well, normally when you create a new swatch is automatically global, but every global swatch gets this white triangle outline, which identifies it as a global swatch. So now I'm going to use this global swatch in my other elements here. Like this. And now what I can do is double click this global swatch and then change the color. And as you can see, all the colors of all the items that I have colored with this global swatch change all at once. But what we can also do is, for example, I'm going to pick this little heart, give it this global swatch color. I'm going to go to the Properties window, which again, if it isn't visible, you can go to Window and then choose Properties. And in this Properties window, I'm going to click the Fill under Appearance. And then here you have the color mixer, which if you have selected only one global color, you get this slider, and then you can create a tint from that global color. And when you've created the tint of your global color you want to use, go back to your swatches panel and click this plus icon to make a new global swatch color. And then you can apply it to all your other elements you want to use it on in your design. Just like that. And then again, if I change this tint, which I created from my global swatch, as you can see here, it will change everything. So it also changes your global color from which you created your tint. But this is a way how you can easily and quickly edit your designs in Adobe Illustrator by using global swatches. And then when you adjust those global swatches, it gets adjusted in all the elements you used your global swatch on. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.